Dr. Madhumeet, a very dynamic and learned scholar who is head of PG Department of English, Dean Student Welfare and Dean Languages. So she's handling all these offices with excellence. So today she is going to make a presentation on interview skills and body language. So ma'am, with all respect, I invite you to the podium, and I'm sure girls, it's going to be a very, very learning experience for all of you.
So at the outset, I want to reciprocate by giving you a huge round of applause. And there are more reasons today. Today is the last module of your personality development program, and I vouch that your personalities have evolved by now. If not, you're making an attempt in that direction, and of course, even if you're not making an attempt, it's inadvertently, bina jane hi, changes and improvements come when we listen to something meaningful, fruitful and worthwhile. Dear girls, settle down immediately. Starting from body language and preparation for interviews, interview skill, one tip I've already given at the outset, even before the commencement of the program. What was that? What did I tell you to do? Anyone? When you were settling down, to keep your notebooks and pens ready, and to keep your bags at the place meant for it. This is a part of our body language module also, that all the bags should be kept down. Wherever you're going out for any meaningful exercise, you should show first, because that is body language. I did not intend to say that, but as I've already told you, each word in a lecture, in a presentation, can be a meaningful one and a worthwhile one. When you're going out for anything, make sure that you make the other person believe that you're all set for that thing. Sometime, somewhere, maybe in the second standard, and the child replies that you can be any one of your age. No talking girls. The child replies, I want to be a model. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a pilot. Anything. Okay. One such step. Abhi mera topic aa raha hai. I find it very difficult to stand and deliver a lecture. I want to just come forth. First thing, what do you want to be was asked to you when you were in the first standard. ये बात याद रखोगे. दूसरी बात, ये पूछा जाता है when you move on to the second standard or maybe third or even fifth. Then even in +1, what's your aim in life? Write an essay. मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य. That life is like a rudderless boat. सारों ने लिखा हुआ है. वो सारे, a boat without oars. Everyone, Then you also thought of a name. Fine. And then comes another thing in that whole scenario. That is your education. Okay, fine. Most of you have aims in your lives, but you didn't raise your hands because there were two things. We are getting education, we do our bachelor's, then the amount of degrees you acquire. Someone wants to become a teacher, take up the noble job in a school, she would go in for B.Ed. In the similar manner, students keep on taking up degrees and opting for some better learning things, and they acquire many degrees. What is the purpose for all that? Now that you have got very good marks, you would certainly move on to this directly. There is this bridge in between. there is this gap in between. You have to spend 25 years of your life. If you're doing medical, if you have taken up medical profession, it may be more, around 30. You're spending 25 plus years of your life in pursuit of a comfortable life which would come after you fulfill your dream of getting a job after your heart. And you are going to stick to that profession for the next 35 years of your life at least. So what comes in the way? No topper will get a job that way. Something comes in the way, and what is that thing? Interview. Interview comes in the middle. So for that reason, I believe that all your personality development is directed towards this direction of making you acquire interview skills, because that is one wedge, एक खाई है, एक distance है जो आपको पार करनी है. Now there is another observation that if interview is unavoidable, if it is indispensable, if it has to come a person's way, why not prepare the child from the very outset? Why did they not prepare you from your KG classes, your kindergarten, your nursery, your first? पूछते तो रहे क्या बनना है, कैसे बनना है. एक थी डिग्री और एक थी पैरेलल रोड. उसमें क्या था? सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, ट्रेनिंग टू अपीयर इन एन इंटरव्यू, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस, communication skills. I'll come up to all those points. बताओ, आप मेरी बात से सहमत हो? Is a degree, is top position. I have topped in, if I say I'm a gold medalist in MA, will I get a job? I was, in fact, I am a gold medalist in my MA, and I had to undergo so many interviews. So think of it, our education system at the primary and even at it needs to be revamped. Think other than just study and read, but see, this is happening in your institution. So I gave you a huge round of applause. First is for us being a part of this program, and another round of applause from my side also for joining this institution, which is doing so much for you. This program was designed under the valuable guidance of our ma'am principal. You know that our principal ma'am, Professor Tima Sharma Dwivedi, she has studied from Harvard as well, and she really wanted to make you very, very impressive. So my thought takes you to your thoughts, that is that you should have started working on this front long back. But then, better late than never. थोड़ी सी लेट हो गए हो, लेकिन अभी भी you have sufficient time. As there's a wedding in the family, you start preparing yourself for the same, getting your dresses, grooming yourself for that. But that final day is that final day when you bring up the best of what you have done for yourself. So today you're going to dress yourself up, From today you'll start preparing yourself up, making yourself up for your interview. ये होगी प्रेपरेशन की बात. ये ज्यादा जरूरी है ना, बजाय के एक दिन में, जैसे मैंने बता दिया, बैग नीचे रखो, उसमें क्या है, फोल्डर अपना फाइल को अरेंज करके लेकर जाओ, वो एक दो दिन में भी सीखी जा सकती है. ये है whenever you do something good to your personality, what I am speaking to you, what I have spoken to you, that was never taught. That it is a mindset which you have to prepare. So I requested coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Mani, to give me a little longish duration, because what we are going to do is the gist of what you have done all your life. कभी किसी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया? That is taking you closer to your aim. That is going to tell you that you have to compete in life. So you get my point? Now the second thing is, beta, interview is also about mindset and about attitude, and as Principal Ma'am delivered the first talk on positivity, interview is all about positivity. इंटरव्यू होती क्या है ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी धीरे धीरे, आगे आपको पता भी है, लेकिन इसमें एक चीज मैंने साथ में बतानी है, वो लेट मी स्टार्ट एंड देन आई विल टेल। नाउ 25 years of studies and 35 years of your job and none for your preparation of interviews. So all these years should have been the preparation for you. You have to, market yourself. You just cannot say, अरे मुझसे तो मैं तो बहुत सिंपल हूँ, मैं घमंड नहीं कर सकती. It is not any kind of pride of sharing your, good points with someone. It is only that you believe that he or she is not a god. You have to tell the other person what you're capable of. So when you prepare yourself for an interview, you have to prepare how to stand out of from the crowd and how you have to market yourself. तभी तो पढ़ते हो ना कि PhD कैंडिडेट्स ने PM की जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया. जॉब होने चाहिए, बट एक जॉब होती है जो आप करनी चाहते हो. सो वो किनको मिलेगी? क्रीम को मिलेगी. If there are positions, jobs, you have to, prepare yourself for that thoroughly. तो अभी से पढ़ाई वाला पार्ट नहीं, अभी से सॉफ्ट स्किल्स वाला पार्ट आप अपने आप में इम्प्रूव करेंगे. So what is this word interview? Interview is not an examination. It is not an exam. It is only you have a glimpse. Interview is not an interrogation. These are the myths about interview. If you think कि आपकी तो बहुत ज़्यादा grilling होगी, no. An interview is a conversation. I want to tell. I told you something about positive mindset, and I said, ma'am said that. Girls, you did your nursery, you did your LKG. You did your first standard. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा जीनियस ही होगा आप में से जिसके हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए और हर सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे आए. So when you work hard in your studies, why should you feel rejected if you don't, get selected in an interview? मैंने पास वर्ड यूज नहीं करना. आज आप अपने माइंडसेट चेंज करके जाओगे. आज के बाद जब भी कभी इंटरव्यू का आपको चांस मिलेगा, अगर मुझे 1 सेकेंड के लिए भी याद कर लोगे कि इंटरव्यू इज अबाउट डिसाइडिंग वेदर आई एम फिट फॉर द जॉब और नॉट. कई बार आप ज्यादा क्वालिफाइड हो जाते हो, उन्हें लगता है कि आप तो बहुत ही केपेबल हो इस जॉब के लिए, ठीक नहीं हो. आप अगर मार्केट में जाते हो, कोई जब जाता है मार्केट में, उसने 100 रुपीज मीटर क्लॉथ लेना है, कोई कपड़ा लेना है, तो कहता है ये डोंट स्लीप गर्ल्स, गेट अप, यू कीप ऑन स्लीपिंग ऑल योर लाइफ. सो you want to go to a market, आपने कोई कपड़ा खरीदना, आपके मम्मा ने दिए आपको 500 रुपीज, ले जाओ और 5 मीटर कपड़ा ले. कभी आपको कोई जॉब नहीं मिलती तो आप क्या सोचोगे कि ये आपके लिए सूटेबल नहीं. कभी आप सैड नहीं होगे. और एक जंप करना आपने फ्रॉम वन ब्रिज टू अनदर, फ्रॉम यस एंड बीच में ब्रिज नहीं बना हुआ, तो इवन इफ यू डू दैट, So what will you see say? अरे कि मेरी फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू थी, ये तो मेरी इंटरव्यू की नर्सरी थी। ये नहीं कि आपने उतनी देनी है कि मैंने तो एमए करनी है इंटरव्यूज की, बट देन दिस यू वोंट फाइंड इन बुक्स। मैं कह रही थी ना, इसकी हाफ प्रेजेंटेशन आपको बुक्स में मिल जाएगी, लेकिन जो मेंटल प्रेपरेशन है, जो मैं अपने दिल से चाह रही हूँ, आप मान के चलो, द थॉट्स व्हिच केम टू माय माइंड, what I saw in my career of around 31 plus years, that girls grow so sad. हमारे टाइम तो होती ट्रेडिशनल इंटरव्यूज थी, बहुत कम इंटरव्यूज होती थी, और एक पोस्ट के लिए भी 50 लोग आते थे, एंड फिर उनका मन टूट जाता था। थिंक दैट इंटरव्यू इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू टीच यू, इवन इफ यू आर सिलेक्टेड, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट। और आज जो बच्चे मेरे पास बैठे हैं, वो ये प्रॉमिस करके जाए कि जब भी कोई इंटरव्यू का मौका मिलता है कॉलेज से, जस्ट गो एंड ट्राई। It will be another class, you have, say, you've done your first on your own only, that school did not have the first. ये माइंड में रखना है कि कोई हमारी ग्रिलिंग नहीं होने लगी, हमारी कन्वर्सेशन होगी, बातचीत होने लगी है। We are going to talk, and talk कैसे करना है, ये भी एक मुद्दा है जो मेन है। सुटेबल हो कि नहीं हो, you can be underqualified, you can be overqualified also. अपने आप को किसी से कम नहीं समझना कभी भी। Now one thing is, bottom line is that what does the employer see जिसने जॉब देनी होती है, कि can he do the job, competence है। पैसे वाले ही सोच लो, क्योंकि हर बात तो आपके माइंड को खुश करने वाली है, प्रिपेयर करने वाली है। Whatever I have tried is to tell you that if she is good, she is also good, she is also good, but the post is one, तो एक को मिल गई, you need not be dejected। हालात ऐसे थे कि एक पोस्ट है, there is always a next। Keep yourself in very high esteem, always stay motivated। Everyone these days doesn't like the doesn't means everyone जो जज कर रहा है, जो सबसे ब्रिलियंट नहीं हमें पसंद आते, हमें मोटिवेटेड और हार्ड वर्किंग बच्चे पसंद आते हैं। हर एक जो मोटिवेटेड एंड हार्ड वर्किंग है ना, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है। ब्रिलियंट जो होता है वो मोटिवेटेड नहीं है तो कहीं भी आके काम करना छोड़ सकता है, लाइक बोथ है। सो व्हाट इज गिवन अ प्रेफरेंस, इफ गॉड टेल्स मी तूने क्या चुनना है अपने लिए, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट बनना है कि मोटिवेटेड रहना हमेशा और हार्ड वर्किंग बनना है, मैं कहूंगी मुझे हार्ड वर्किंग बनना और मोटिवेटेड रहना। That is indeed going to help us in the long run, and you can be such girls without, don't talk girls, without even shelling out a penny। मोटिवेटेड तो रह सकते हो ना। एक मीटिंग, 2 मीटिंग्स, इसमें ये सब कुछ देखना बड़ा मुश्किल है। सो योर पर्पस फॉर अपीयरिंग इन एन इंटरव्यू इज, yes, that you should very good get a job offer। Now this is only, you all knew the answer, 1 or 2 girls when they speak they get noticed। शुरू में बोला है ना, it is the sincerity which you show when you appear for an interview। Be sincere in your words। बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बात की है ना। टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरव्यूज होती हैं आजकल, तो टेलीफोन पे होती हैं आजकल। जो इंटरव्यूज हैं, जो है आप कहोगे कि वीडियो कॉल्स में, उसमें बॉडी लैंग्वेज का, उसकी आंखों से, अभी मुझसे पूछ लो, मुझे तो सब पता है ना, आप में से कौन से बच्चे, तकरीबन सारे इंटरेस्टेड लग रहे, जो 1-2 नहीं लग रहे मुझे पता है बिल्कुल इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, अटेंडेंस है मजबूरी, ये मजबूरी, बट वी आर ऑल अ सेट ऑफ पीपल, वी हैव टू सिट टुगेदर। आई कैन नॉट से ओके बेटा यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, जाओ, बिकॉज ये जो मोटिवेटेड है ना वो भी डीमोटिवेट हो जाएंगे। ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना, लेकिन एक इंटरव्यूअर को सब पता होगा। सो आपको जॉब चाहिए, आपकी वो शिद्दत आपकी एक्शंस में दिखनी चाहिए. Words are not always that important. So, एक चीज बेटा, मैं जब इंटरव्यू लेती हूँ, अपने कभी भी लेने का टाइम मिलता है, आई से व्हाट यू नो अबाउट दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन. ये जब बात आएगी एक इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में पता होगा, यू विल योरसेल्फ यू नो इम्प्रेस द एम्प्लॉयर्स. और उस टाइम तो वो जरूरी है. ये नहीं है कि मैं बहुत लाइफ को अपना पता है. इट इज नेवर गोइंग टू हैपन, नेवर एवर. यू हैव टू स्पीक. ये तो मैं बाकी के लेक्चर्स में भी बोलती हूँ कि आपको बोलना भी चाहिए अपने बारे कोई भी चीजें. सो यू मस्ट नो कि आप कहाँ की इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो. जो एप्लीकेंट है, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होना चाहिए, आपको परसुएट करना आना चाहिए. आप में कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. कॉन्फिडेंस कब आएगा? when you won't get dejected if you have undergone any failure in the past. वो तो आपकी कोई क्लास थी जो आपने लर्निंग की, उसमें आप में परसुएट करने की पावर होनी चाहिए. You have to display confidence, and the most interesting thing for anyone is कि आपका इंटरेस्ट नजर आ रहा हो. बेटा आपको एम्पैथी, जब आप फर्स्ट ईयर में थे, मैंने एम्पैथी की वीडियो भी दिखाई थी कि दूसरे की जगह पे रहकर वो ये एम्प्लॉयर का आप बोलोगे क्यों बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि आपने भी तो जान के जानना है कि ये क्या पूछेगा. So he will try to get more, to know more about you, and even at times some personal questions that you, if it's any for even a boy also, your family is staying elsewhere, will you move, such questions. Now how to prepare for the interviews. The thing जहाँ आप जा रहे हो, आपको, मुझे तो दान देना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You know, I do a lot of social work, that money making kind. You know, you have to see the larger perspective of the institution, what is expected from you. और एक चीज आपने हर इंटरव्यू में, I always say, विक्ट्री कब लेकर जाएगी? एक तो always do the thing which you can do best. उन दिनों बहुत मेहनत करके पढ़ के जाओगे. Anything can be asked, and कभी ना कहना कि अरे मेरा आंसर गलत था, मुझे इस करके नहीं लिया. आज तक ऐसे नहीं हुआ. Everyone sees, you know, when it is an interview, when you are personally appearing, they see everything, your commitment, your sincerity, your honesty, your truthfulness. कितनी आप exaggerated बातें फेंक रहे हो, वो भी पता चल जाता है. So you have to display confidence, not overconfidence, neither underconfident होना. तो details आप करोगे, अपने ये कोशिश कर लो जानने की कि आपको कौन इंटरव्यू कर रहा है, किस जगह पे आप जा रहे हो इंटरव्यू के लिए. रिसर्च करोगे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में. You will go through the website, you will go through the business directories, newspapers, trade journals. ये आ गया अब आपका specific उस टाइम के लिए. And dear girls, when I was saying that it should have started from your kindergarten days and your first, when you told your, I said now verbal and non-verbal communication. तो body language की तो थोड़ी बात हमने की, लेकिन communication skills, even if you have lost some time, I've already told you, better late than never. To everyone in this world, it is my belief, it's not just preparing for you for an interview, but for life. You have to speak up. So what do you know? Now if you know something, if you cannot speak, you should have fluency over language. एक cheat code में एक cheat मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप fluent हो जाओ, आपकी grammar भी ठीक नहीं है, आपके words भी ठीक नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत चलेगा. ये नहीं, don't always do that, but first start speaking in English, conversing in English amongst yourselves. Because why, you will say, why just English? Yes, communication. वो स्माइलियों से तो नहीं ना काम चलेगा आपका, ना हिंदी आती और ना ही पंजाबी और ना ही इंग्लिश. कम्युनिकेशन तो तीनों में अच्छी होनी चाहिए. लेकिन when you are talking about organizations, you're in, because this is one language of consensus जो सबको आती है, तो इंग्लिश तो आनी चाहिए, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए. सो अगेन उसके लिए आपको मैं एक टिप देती हूँ दैट यू शुड रीड अ लॉट, यू शुड रीड अलाउड, यू कैन वॉच हॉलीवुड मूवीज, you can take a piece of paper and read in front of the mirror and अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ 10-10 मिनट इंग्लिश में बात करो. Don't bother about the other girls who are laughing at you. You are going to evolve yourselves. Join the Stop Talking Girls School of Communications and start talking in English. और कोई किसी टीचर की चुगली लगानी है, किसी की लगानी है, do that in English. I said if you are coming to KME, you should come in because you have read everything about the institution, not just you, any outsider. So it's better to follow the dress code, not be casual, not be like bridal and party wear. It should be formal. ठीक है? ये अब pointed आ गए हैं. We have moved on. We have come towards the end, but जो preparation शुरू में बताई है वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है आज से acquire करनी. Confidence in yourself, positive attitude, and working towards your goal. One participation in anything, even if you make a poster and you are explaining that, it is making you get more evolved as a person, and you will do that in a better manner. So some do's is that dress smartly, dress in a professional manner, and then you should have a smart footwear. It shouldn't be noisy because I've already told you the center of अभी भी बताया था ना, sample of the group interview also. Opening is the most important thing, and finally closing. Okay, एकदम उछल के बाहर चले गए, कुछ रखा हुआ था वो भी गिर गया, then फंबल करके फाइल्स उठा रहे हो. No, you have to show your balance of character everywhere, because it is going to help the organization which you have, or which will choose you, or which you will choose for serving, because we have already discussed that at the outset. During the interview, girls, relaxing is, you have to relax. That non-verbal communication accounts for over 90% of the messages. See a warm smile, full of confidence, formal dress, firm handshake, and correct body posture. You don't have to bite your nails. You don't have to scratch any part of your body or your head or show that you are not confident. And then don't form body barriers. Eye contact रखोगे. Body barriers नहीं बनाओगे. You have to reach out. पहला point क्या था? Persuade. Persuade बोल के नहीं करना. Action से भी persuade करना. You noted those points? Keep your hands away from your face. Yeah, like you're doing all this, that shows you're not confident. You don't want to, you're not facing the employer, you won't like to face the situation also. So you should always be ready for both. Stay focused. Distract नहीं हो जाना, बोलते बोलते ध्यान दूसरी तरफ या बात करते करते हो कहेगा ये तो distracted personality है. उनको लगेगा stability भी है. I have already told you both the parties are concerned. जिसने employ करना है वो भी घबराया हुआ है कि हमारी choice ठीक होनी चाहिए. So use your hands. Yes, to express you can use your hands. वो आप कभी भी मुझे करके भी भेज सकते हो. After the interview, don't think कि खत्म हो गया, भागो और अपनी सारी चीजें लेकर जाओ. अब जैसे मैंने वो अपनी पेन ड्राइव पक्का छोड़ जानी है. I am a very fumbling kind of a person. I know that. 3-4 चीजों से बचते और बचते ही मैं इधर उधर जाती हूँ. But I know my shortcomings and I am trying to correct myself till date. But if you can stay calm. You see Money ma'am, she's so cool always. And smile, say thanks, and then you can leave. You should have that kind of balance in yourself. So confidence should be your companion for life. You should never give up in confidence. And then even if you disclose some of your shortcomings, the interviewer is not a very, harsh kind of a person. He wants to choose the right person, not the best person. कौन सा एग्जाम्पल दिया था मैंने? सिल्क की नहीं है तो आप सिल्क भी छोड़ देते हो, तो यू कैन बी अ worthy person but not employed at places. So never lose hope, because you are hired when you are meant for that job. The employer has an experience of that. So you will be hired. Very good, with confidence इन्होंने बोला, and motivation उनके लिए भी, with persuasion उनके लिए भी. It is a prayer from the side of all those who have made effort for your well-being, starting from your mother, your dad. So do something in life, and then this song has a